everybody, it's me, English teacher Matthew, back again so soon after yesterday's video talking about due to and because of. If you haven't watched that yet, then you are a loser. You should watch it right now. Go there, just to go to my YouTube channel, press subscribe, and then you'll find the video in there. But in today's lesson, we're going to talk about in spite of and despite. Both of them have exactly the same meaning. They are similar to although and even though because they introduce contrasts. So let's have a look at some of these example sentences, just so we can see how they are used, and then afterwards you can put your sentences in the comments below and I'll have a look. So let's go to the board. And so this is my board. Hello everybody. So let's go through the sentences together. He was hired, he got a job. He was hired in spite of his school grades. School grades weren't very good, but he got the job. Very good. Notice here, this is a noun phrase, just like due to and because of. We need to put noun phrase after in spite of. But we don't have to all the time. Let's have a look at this one. She completed the race, she finished the race, in spite of being fat. So here you notice being. Being is a gerund. It is be with ing on the end. Kind of acts like a noun. So she completed the race in spite of being fat. Congratulations. Now, sometimes we can use in spite of. There we go, that's better. We can use in spite of with a sentence, but what we have to do is we have to add the fact that she completed the race in spite of the fact that she was overweight. So she was overweight is a sentence. We can add that onto the end, but we need to add the fact that. We can't say in spite of that. Wrong. We need to say in spite of the fact that. So magically, everything's going to change and you will see despite on the board. So everyone say 3, 2, 1, abracadabra. Just like that, despite is on the board. I didn't write anything, it was you. Thank you. So let's have a look. Actually, they're the same example sentences. I've just added despite instead of in spite of because they are the same. If you wanted to know a little bit of a difference, what I would say is maybe I would say in spite of is more informal than despite. Maybe you would see despite when you read a book or a magazine, and if you want to be formal, but in spite of is informal. So again, he was hired despite his school grades, despite plus noun phrase or noun. She completed the race despite being fat, despite plus gerund. She completed the race despite, I want to use a sentence, despite the fact that she was overweight. Overweight is a much nicer thing to say than fat. If you call someone fat, that's not very nice. Don't call me fat. Don't call any of your friends fat. It's not nice. It's better to say overweight. It's kind of nice. It's like saying, I think you should eat less Big Mac and eat more salad. But congratulations to this lady. She completed the race despite the fact that she was overweight. Do you want to practice? This is free practice, free. I like free, me too. So what do you have to do? You have to go to the comments now. You see this thing below here. You can use your finger or your mouse, just go down there. And you will see there is a space for you to practice. You can put your own sentences. You can tell me about your life or something funny or something like that. Maybe if you want to have some inspiration, you can talk about my lovely flower. Oh, it looks really nice here, actually. Maybe I'll put it here for the next video. Very nice, right? But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something new. And if you want more, then make sure that you press subscribe and watch the next video. Next video could be tomorrow, could be next week, could be next month, I don't know. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. Till next time, Keep practicing.